We're on SAT Practice Test 8, Math Section 2. Welcome to question 7. Level of difficulty, it's medium. The function f is given. There it is. Which table of values represents y equals f of x minus 3? So the way to do this is you're going to say y equals the function, and then you're going to subtract 3. There's the function, minus 3. This is a classic plug in the answers problem. We're just going to go down to the answer choices. We're going to plug in the x's and y's. We're going to see what works. Answer choice A. Write down the x and y combo that you're dealing with right now. Don't confuse the x's and the y's. So here, we got y is negative 9, x is negative 6. Every time we see a y, we're going to put in negative 9. Every time we see an x, we're going to put in negative 6. There's a y, so it's negative 9, equals, there's an x, so it's negative 6. Negative 6 plus 6, what is that? That's 0. Times negative 6 plus 5, that's negative 1. Times negative 6 minus 4, what's that? Negative 10. Minus 3. Okay, what is all of this? It's just 0. 0 times anything is 0. So it's 0 minus 3, which is negative 3. Does negative 9 equal negative 3? Doesn't. So A is gone because we found something that didn't work. Now we move on to B. Again, write down your x's and y's so you don't get them confused. The first one is negative 6 and negative 3. You don't need to write down the whole chart. So what's y? It's negative 3 equals, you just did this one, 0, negative 6 plus 6, negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1, negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10, minus 3. We just did this. We know that when we multiply all this together, we're going to get 0 minus 3. Does negative 3 equal negative 3? It does. So we got ourselves a bingo. So we get to keep going. Next set is negative 5 and negative 3. I want you to notice how these are all negative 3, and I want you to look for a pattern here. So y is negative 3. This time x is negative 5, so it's negative 5 plus 6, which is what? 1. Here's the pattern. Negative 5 plus 5, what's that? 0. And then negative 5 minus 4 is negative 9, minus 3. So we've been doing this. All of this is what? 0. 0 minus 3. Negative 3 equals negative 3. It does. Now let's use the pattern here. Can you see it? This is 4 and negative 3. So y is negative 3. Put this 4 in, just kind of in your head up here. Is anything going to be a 0? 4 minus 4 is 0. That's the last one. So 0 times anything is 0. So it doesn't matter what's here. It doesn't matter what's here, because 0 times these things is all going to be just 0. So it's 0 minus 3. Does negative 3 equal negative 3? It still does. So all three of the things in answer choice B worked. B's the answer. We don't need to try C or D. We're done. We get it right, and we move on.